Hello, this short video was created to introduce key Columbus Food functionality that are enhancements built seamlessly in the Microsoft Dynamics NAV solution. We're going to focus these videos using dairy industry specific examples. This video will give an overview of some of the key elements within the dairy industry and how Columbus's functionality has addressed each. There are subsequent Columbus videos which go into greater detail of the functionality mentioned here. The elements in the dairy industry involve collection of milk from various sources, storing that milk as inventory, perhaps in silos, and finally processing the milk through the production of a range of related products. Columbus's specific food functionality address all of these important processes. Let's start by identifying three key elements. First, dairy best operates within a batch manufacturing process versus a discrete process. Second, dairy requires strict traceability and item-specific lot attributes. And third, proper dairy receipt, costing, and subsequent payments. These elements can be impacted by a time delay factor that is often stretched into the following month. For dairies that operate within a batch process environment, Columbus offers a co-product byproduct BOM. These BOMs allow dairy processors to manage their operations formulas. These BOMs also drive the proper recording and costing of both co- and byproduct output items. And since milk attributes can be different each run, Columbus can capture shrinkage data at the pound level, ultimately working to show a plant's true yield efficiencies and accurate costs. Columbus also provides tools for supply-driven and batch planning processes. These tools help to plan production through batch production runs and offer proper scalability of those batches. Dairy requires strict traceability and item-specific attributes. Columbus can offer item lot tracing to start traceability at the individual farm level. This tracing can continue into the commingling of milks and silos, followed by tracing through the entire production process, and finally warehouse movements and shipments. Columbus offers this item lot tracing functionality for both forwards and backwards traceability views. Columbus offers dairy users the ability to create and maintain item lot attributes. Quality control attributes are used to identify and record QC test results at the item's lot. For example, QC test recordings for the butterfat or non-fat solid against a milk receipt. Columbus also tracks the item's lot freshness date as an attribute. This can be used to identify a peak fresh date for the dairy product. With Columbus, the actual age and aging category attributes can be maintained. The age and aging category of the product could determine the subsequent value or use in further production. Columbus also offers the assignment of lot preferences at the customer or bill of material level. Identifying the QC age, aging, or aging category preferences helps ensure the right pick for the shipment or consumption transactions. For dairy's proper milk costing and payment, Columbus offers user-defined milk payment methodologies, which can be based on multiple QC test results for an item's attribute, such as fat, protein, and antibiotics. These results can then be used in conjunction with outside cost component information received at the end of the month. Finally, a premium or other cost factor can be added into the calculation. Columbus offers the functionality to calculate and then post a mid-month prepayment to the supplier. Columbus then finalizes the cost of the milk receipt and processes an end-of-month payment when the actual data becomes available. The final payment takes into account the mid-month prepayment if one was made. This end of month is usually calculated a point after that month's end. So with NAV and Columbus, this all results in the proper costing and updating of the dairy item's unit cost, which then rolls through the subsequent finished good items and financial cost of goods sold. This functionality is key when dealing with a time delay. A special note, this functionality does not impact any day-to-day item transactions like recording production consumption or output, nor the shipping of any product. Thanks so much for taking time to view this video. We anticipate you may have more questions and look forward to hearing from you.